Hello guys, welcome back. Well, in this video, we are gonna talk about money. And why you wanna know about money? Well, if you wanna go to these places where they speak Spanish and you're gonna spend your money, you wanna know how much they charging you, right? Or if you're having businesses with these other countries where they speak Spanish, you need to know how much they charging you or how much you need to pay for. Now, I know in so many places they work with the dollar, but it's important to know how much they charging you and how much you're paying for. Now, one tip, I always carry the peso. If I go to Mexico, I will carry the peso. And peso literally means weight, the Mexican peso. Now, there are so many countries where they use also peso. In Argentina, Nicaragua, Colombia, Panama, so many places where they use the peso. So it's very important, guys, to know how to count it. And I'm going to teach you how to do it with these simple steps. Okay, follow me. Come on. Okay, the first thing that you need to know are the numbers. What is what? Okay, the first line, that is the thousands, which is mil. Mil or miles, okay? The second line is the hundreds, cien, and after 101, we call it ciento. These are hundreds. Then we have this third line, which is the tens, or we counted it 10 by 10, right? And the last column is the ones, unos. Guys, using the same paper, you are going to use it to count the money. And I'm going to leave it on the description so you can download it, okay? But now let me explain how we're going to count it using it.
You are going to guide yourself with these numbers. For example, if I want to write the number 352, we would come over here and see, okay, 300 and es 352. That's how we read it, okay? So we would have to go and find in this piece of paper what numbers should we read it. Okay. For example, I'm going to give you another number. 392. That 392 would be 392. 392. Otro ejemplo. 981. 981. Okay, when we are writing the numbers, we don't say 981. No. We only put the Y between the last two numbers. It's the only place where we would say y1. For example, over here, 392. On the last two, we would say 392. En este, 352. 981. That's where we put the Y, okay? Now, if we want to use or read bigger numbers, for example, 2,352, we would read it the same way. We'll go to these miles, son los thousands, so 2,352. ¿Ok? Aquí sería 1,392. Aquí sería 5,981. Now, we have millions, billions, and trillions. Millón, billón, trillón. Ok, vamos a hacer okay. This number is a million because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros next to the number 1, right? That's why it's a million. Y en español, we read it like this, okay? Which is un millón, 253,000. Sorry guys, 253,000, because once you have these three numbers next to it, you know that is mil. Okay, so 253,429. 429. 1,253,429. If we want to read some